warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I as moderator and organizer will lead the presentation this time. So, please pay attention to my video presentation this time. For the material this time is the contribution of Muslim scientists to the development of philosophy and science. There is a saying never meet then ta'aruf. So before I introduce myself, my name is Olivia Sharani, NIM 23060111061. Let's cut to the case for a PowerPoint discussion. For the first, role and contribution understanding. For the second, Islamic contribution to the development of science. For the third, the spirit of philosophy. And for the fourth, the factor behind Islamic philosophy. To the first point is role and contribution meaning. Role is defined as something one would expect to have. Role may be the process of understanding shared behaviors and being linked to one's relative position and as a dynamic aspect of one's status, and so it is closely associated with other important marks of behaviors that affect society. Contribution. The meaning of contribution, according to the Indonesian dictionary, can be money rendered in dust and can also mean donation. While in a broader sense, contribution constitute more profound support as excluded assistance by individuals or groups. To the second point, that is Islamic contribution to the development of science. Islamic is expanding and becoming a hub and is an important contributor to the development of today civilized world where the diversity of socio-cultural science and diversity is rooted in religion, Naqliyah and Aqliyah. Contribution and the second form of Naqliyah and Aqliyah are as follows. One, the contribution to religious Skins Naqliyah is the unity of the science used by Christian philosophers by different years, which means the view of religion, and then the approach to spiritualization in the Aqidah, Sharia, and moral view. Two, the contribution to Aqliyah science was relational or rational science like philosophy, mathematics, physics, and so on. To the third point, that is the spirit of philosophy. Over time, progress has continued to grow, advancing from scholars and scientists that in that East and in the West, with a concept that so far spared the scientific foundation, let it be known that Islam is a religion that views religion as a potential after reflection and fruit to human purpose. Many of the Muslim scholars are making a full contribution to the discovery of science and technology. Well, it's been explained above that three are some thoughts, the first of which is the thinking of Ibn Rushd, the nation of Ibn Rushd, known as the Few Safavid in Muhammad bin Ahmad bin Muhammad is remembered as the figure that created the intellectual link between East and West, the Islamic and Christian link. He was often thought to be the founder of the Enlightenment movement in the West, the new ideal of European liberals. One of these excellent thought was the question of the truth. In his view, philosophical truth obtained through rational inquiry essentially corresponded to religious based on divine revelation. Then three was the thought of Ibn Haytham. He was a man of great knowledge in science, astronomy, mathematics, geometry, medical links, and philosophy. One of the results of this Ibn Haytham talk was to create a glass rider. His reasoning was banned and his theory used by Italian scientists. He has also been called the father of modern optics. The invention of the film continues to be solved. He also used mathematics and modern physics. He also used mathematics and modern physics. Applying the principles of optics, he combines theories and experiments in his research. The last one, Ibnu Hayyan Ibnu Hayyan contribution in the chemistry field, developing in developing experimental techniques so that any experiment can be reproduced. Some discoveries: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, citric acid, acetic acid distillation techniques, and crystallization crystallization techniques, and aquaregia solution, combining chloric acid and nitric acid to dissolve the good. For the third point that is science. Science is a trove of knowledge made up of four distinct or systematical regulations. In initial statements and data classification that are relevant to phenomena as occurred and occurred as possible. General statements that are derived from parallel data research. Theoretical statements that link existing form of law and which is later confirmed by further observation and testing. To the fourth or last point that is the amount of Islamic philosophy. The rise of Islamic philosophy can be seen from some factors which is one, the truth factor of Islamic teaching. It is Islamic law that is people think of the creation of heaven and earth, and the Christian must have created it with such an idea and then led to an inquiry with philosophical tools. Two, the fraction factor among Muslims. After the assassination of Khalifah Utsman bin Affan, there has been dissension and opposition among Muslims. This was the beginning of an undertaking for political consideration where the endeavor was deep in religion and author. Three, the Islamic Dawah factor. It is Islamic will that is people be able to communicate Islamic teaching to their fellow humans in order for one to accept Islam teaching rationally and that be Islam must be conveyed and that Islam must be conveyed to them in rational dialects. For factor fetching the challenge of the egg. Will the development of thinking takes place in contemporary philosophy? Islam is a growing religion in its own time, and yet it is largely dependent upon the understanding of its people. It is that every development of the act is expect that Islamic thinking will also expand on its religion. And five, the influences of other cultural. As the territory of Islam expanded to different religions, Muslims met some cultures, they become intrigued and studied them so that in time there was a talk of cultural between them. So, thank you for listening to my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.